Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I'm able to get 1 million views in 24 hours on my YouTube Shorts. Here's an example of one of my videos going viral. So my strategy is simple. I just use trending sounds, and let me show you how to do that real quick. First, click the Explore menu. Next, we're going to click on Trending. Now you can click the Music tab. Next, click on the title of the song that you want to use. In the description, click on More and scroll all the way down until you see View All Shorts. From there, you can go ahead and use this sound. The secret is understanding not the YouTube algorithm, but understanding the marketing strategy of the music label. Anytime a song is going viral, you have to understand that the music label within that quarter, aka 3 months, they're going to have their own marketing strategy in which they're going to push the song at certain time periods. This is why I always tell people, do not delete your content. And they're going to take the artist to have maybe an event. They're going to go on tour. Maybe they're going on live TV. And then when that happens, more people are going to search for the song. That means that the people who are making YouTube Shorts with that sound, they're going to get a boost in the algorithm as well, because more people are interested in finding that song, and then your videos are also going to pop up. So the best strategy is always to make sure that you don't just discount the popularity of your video right away. I would always measure it within the first 3 months, that first quarter of when a new song is released. So I hope this helps and gives you a new perspective and understanding that this is the reason that you should not delete or private your videos just because it did not go viral immediately if you're using a trending sound marketing strategy.